Hey everyone, welcome back to another Easy Touch series by Chlorine King. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and program an IntelliChlor or iChlor salt system to be controlled by the Easy Touch panel. Now, it's important to note that these salt systems must be connected in order for it to work in the settings of the menu. And while in normal operating mode like pool or spa or spillway, the Easy Touch will actually control the Chlorinator output level. When IntelliChlor is connected to the Easy Touch by the outdoor panel, which is what we're looking at here, the levels can be changed from either this panel itself, the indoor control panel, or the wireless remote. And the amount of chlorine introduced into the pool is of course determined by the amount of salt in the water, water temperature, and of course the amount of time that the pool operates in pool mode. An important note, while the freeze protection mode is enabled, the IntelliChlor or iChlor will not work during that time, even if the filter pump is operating. So let's go ahead and show you how to get into the settings. Scroll down here to settings, go down to IntelliChlor, and here's the first page. And of course we want this enabled, but if you ever wanted to not enable it, you just scroll to no. And this is pool mode here. Now I want you to see something here. As we increase the percentage, you'll see that it changes the spa mode by default. So that way you're not over-chlorinating a small body of water such as a spa, but it does sort of take that in consideration. Now keep in mind too, this is not the strength of the chlorine it's making, so you're not getting 80% strength of chlorine. It's actually the percentage of the runtime that this thing's making chlorine, because this thing only knows, all right, make chlorine or don't make chlorine. And right now it's going to say, while it's in pool mode, it's going to make chlorine 80% of the time that the pool pump's on. So that's an important thing to know. Go back up here to page 2. Now this is the super chlorination menu, or basically the shock, for lack of better words. If we want this on, we can actually change the runtime that we want this to be on for, from anywhere from 24 all the way down to, actually all the way up to 72 hours, excuse me. So you can actually customize how long you want this to be making 100% or making chlorine 100% of the time based on the hours. And it'll only work during the pump being running. So if your pump's only running 18 hours a day, it's not going to make chlorine 24 hours a day. It's only going to make the chlorine 18 hours a day. So that is how you set up the IntelliChlor or iChlor with the Easy Touch. And like and subscribe as always, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day.